How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can watch replay in OSU. So when we go ahead and play one of the levels right here, let's just go ahead and simply click on this one. And of course, you could do whatever you want to with this level. But in my case, I'm just going to be saving it normally. So let's wait for the level to simply be finished. And then, of course, right after, you then want to click on the Save Replay button. Now, from there, it's going to be this specific button right here. You just want to head over to Settings, click on the General option, and then you could simply click on the Open OSU folder. Inside this page, there's going to be the Replays folder. Unfortunately, I don't have any replays saved as of the moment in my OSU, so it will not show up, but it will then go ahead and be inside right here. Just click on replay and then you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.